For as long as I've been at ASTM, one of the great challenges that we have faced is being able to get the message out, get the word out about the value of standards to the corporate executives. Corporate executives are very busy people. They're engaged in many, many different issues. So the issue of standards may not be number one on their priority list on a given day. So this is an opportunity to bring that message to them, share with them the importance of standards, and try through that to increase their engagement and their support for standardization, because it's essential to their long-term well-being. Standards really are a major component of what industry should be looking for to make sure that they're staying abreast of technology and they're in a position to be able to use standards to accomplish their global objectives. Participating in standards development definitely gives an advantage. It gives you the opportunity to be there at the table, bringing forth your ideas and your philosophies about the products that you're involved in. It gives you the opportunity to influence the content of the standards. The alternative is really to allow others to write the standards for you, to essentially be in a position where you are on the outside looking in, when in fact standards development and the open process of standards development really is built upon everyone's engagement. So if you're not involved, you run the risk of not having the opportunity to influence content. When you're there, you have the opportunity to share your experience, network with other experts, and to really work to develop the best standard that can be developed in your industry sector that will enable your product to be used effectively around the world. If we can get through Standards Boost Business more awareness at the corporate levels so that they understand the work that their technical experts are doing in ASTM is essential to the well-being of those companies, we believe that we'll be able to get more sustained commitment, and in turn our experts will be able to engage in standards development without the concerns of whether or not they'll be able to attend the next meeting or the commitment that their organizations are making to the standards developer. We were actually selected to develop a family of standards for light sport aircraft. The ASTM standards really enabled this industry to be able to have a suite of standards that address the manufacture, design, and maintenance of aircraft. So that was a great success story, and one that was done in a very rapid cycle time, and it addressed the needs of both industry and government from the standpoint of performance and safety of light sport aircraft. I think through technology, through all the different programs we've put in place, we've really reduced the barriers to engagement in standards development. Time, distance, many of those things have been removed from the equation. From a cost standpoint, participating in ASTM is very inexpensive. There's a very nominal fee to join ASTM of $75, and really the rest of it is the time that the volunteers are going to commit to being part of the standards development program. We believe that getting involved early in a career is essential. It gives you the opportunity to network, to build relationships, and give your organization the opportunity to engage in standards development, which will benefit them in the long run. So it's a great environment for personal development, for helping to accomplish your organization's standards objectives, gives you the opportunity to involve yourself in the marketplace, utilizing standards which are essential as documents of trade, and we would just encourage people to get engaged because that's going to strengthen the long-term impact that those standards have on their industry.